How to fix camera not focusing on Samsung A08. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. Scroll down and click on camera app. If you want to fix this problem, so first off camera app. After first off camera app, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so click on camera app, click on this 4-dot icon and click on this settings icon. Now in camera settings, scroll down to and click on reset setting. Click on reset. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button and volume down button at the time. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.